4年前，我哋嘅科大故事就係從一行簡單嘅程式碼開始。Hello World， 嗰陣時嘅我哋仲以為寫曲就好似電影裏面嗰啲 hacker 一樣，撳下鍵盤，喐下手指就可以改變世界。嗰陣時，我哋仲以為大學嘅生活就好似北澤嗰隻火雞一樣，永遠嘅熱血燃燒。結果後嚟先發覺，迷路只係科大俾我哋嘅新手教學。
就快到㗎，信我啦，係就係㗎啦，係真係就快到㗎。
等陣先，呢塊牌我哋係咪頭先睇呢個地方？好似係你熟悉喎。
唔緊要啦，從頭開始啦。好啊，喂，遲到10分鐘就冇事。
唔緊要啦，都要揾到先㗎。
唔想即刻聽嚟好似，喂，翻屋企嘅。
再揾。
喺呢度，燃燒嘅從來都唔係青春，而係我哋嘅肝。作為一個科大嘅 CS 學生，我哋嘅日常就根本離唔開演算法。唔好以為演算法淨係會出現喺啲 lecture notes 或者喺啲 coding assignment 裏面。其實由朝頭早起身嗰刻開始，我哋已經係咁不停計算，點樣用最短嘅時間搞掂個早餐，點樣可以喺8點15分之前去到彩虹站，仲要望住嗰一條令人絕望嘅91N 人龍，仲要喺9點鐘之前衝到去個 lecture theatre 度上早堂。對其他人嚟講，呢啲可能只係一個普通嘅返學時間，但係對於科大嘅 CS 學生嚟講，呢個根本就係一個每日都要即場 debug 嘅演算法題目。喺呢幾年，我哋經歷咗無數次嘅 comm-course 洗禮，從 data structure 去到 operating system。其實我哋都學識咗點樣喺嗰幾萬行嘅 source code 裏面揾到個漏咗嘅分號，亦都學識咗點樣喺 GIF 裏面解決個永無止境嘅 migrate conflicts， 仲有學識咗唔好太相信 AI 俾嘅答案。
日工好似都唔低喎，一齊見工有冇得諗法？有冇諗下？
喺呢度，其實我哋都學識咗喺 group project 裏面互相 carry， 又或者互相咁樣分工合作咁啦。
喂，有冇人聽得到啊？我想問咧，個 database 到依家都未 connect 好啊，邊個搞㗎？喂，我哋聽日要 deadline 要交嘢咯，佢依家都未整好啊。喂？
喂，搞掂啦！係咪可以收隊啦？我哋係啊，搞掂啦！耶！
喺 lab 嗰度行出嚟，望住牛尾海嘅天空，慢慢咁變光。當時心裏面諗住嘅根本都唔係啲咩，我要改變個世界，而係算啦，過到面就好啦。究竟幾時可以返去瞓覺？我哋亦都冇咩好盛大嘅儀式，亦都冇拋向天空嘅學士帽。但係我哋都知道，有啲結束本嚟就好安靜，或者喺某一個凌晨寫完最後嘅一行曲，又或者喺撳 submit 嗰一下，個畫面冇咩特效，淨係得一行好簡單嘅 success。呢4年，我哋將無數個夜晚換成今日呢一行嘅結果。
Congratulations, HKUST CSE class of 2026. You are graduating into an era where AI is reshaping every industry. That gives us a huge opportunity and a real responsibility. You are prepared for this exciting era.
Hello everyone, I'm Raymond Wong. Congratulations for your graduation. It's good to know that you will graduation soon. No matter where you will go after your graduation, please keep your success in your future. After your graduation, we are still in one big family. Please keep connected with us. Congratulations again.
Huge congratulations to our graduates. You have mastered complex challenges and are now ready to make your mark on the digital world. I wish you the very best in all your adventures ahead.
Congratulations, class of 2026. Over the past few years, you have mastered the language of technology and the logic of problem solving. Today, you move beyond the classroom to architect your own future. I feel honored to witness many of you grow personally and professionally in CSE in HKUST. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be part of your life journey. We are all proud of you and wish you all the success in the next chapter of your life.
Dear HKUST Computer Science and Engineering Graduates Class of 2026, goodbye and see you in the production.